Should we say 1, 2, 3? Hurry! Hurry!
Oh my gosh. I knew it! Did not. Welcome to the Dome Carry Case. Good. Good kids like anything. Ooh, it's got Facebook on there.
Does it?
Netflix, Zoom. I don't know what that is. Twitter.
I think you have to get a wireless connection for that.
No, you actually have to have an Xbox Live.
Oh.
You might just have to have it.
I'm ready to open.
That
other one and then it's got radio.
That is from Grandma and Mom and Dad.
Thank you. Thank you. That's going to your grandma. Thank you. Thank you. You're the best. You're the best. You're the best.
There you go. Here.